So your Tesla has a lot of auto features, and in today's video, we're going to highlight the top 11 auto features for your Tesla. Now, some of the features that I mentioned today, it's going to be standard with your car whenever you purchase it. And some of the features, it is part of the upgraded package, which I will indicate down below. So let's get right to the features. And the first auto feature that I want to share with you today in this video is Tesla's Autopilot auto speed limit. So this will adjust your car speed based on local speed limits and driving conditions. In city and residential areas, the car is typically limited to 5 miles per hour over the posted speed limit, while on highways, the car can go a little bit faster to the driver's set speed, but that's usually capped at 90 to 95 miles per hour. But you do have more control over that, so I'm going to come right here to the car menu. We're going to go to Autopilot, and from there where you see speed limit, you can set speed limit or your current speed. Now, if you set the speed limit, you can go a percentage over or how many miles over. Now, a Tesla wouldn't be a Tesla if I didn't show you how the car could automatically come to you right here through the app. No one is in the car. So on my phone here, I have where it says go to target. I'm going to click on the target. And as you can see, the car is now turning on and the car is automatically coming right over to me. So I'm going to move out of the way there so you can see. So I put a target. So the target is about right there. Oh, actually it's coming up a little bit. So you can also precondition your Tesla before you're ready to drive. And that way your cabin will be at the right temperature and also your battery is at peak performance. I'm going to come right here on the climate menu, and from here I'm going to click on schedule. In schedule you see the precondition. So if you click right there on the arrow, you can precondition your car on like different days of the week. You just click on create, or you can come down here whenever you want to charge your car. Like if you want to start at 12 and end at this time and just say Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And after that, you click on create. And I love that because now you don't have to remember to charge your car. And just say if you're at work and it's a hot day, your car can automatically begin to cool. So whenever you get in, you're just ready to go without the sweat. And the next feature that I want to highlight is your Autopilot feature. Your Autopilot feature is a semi-autonomous driving that can steer your car within its lane, accelerate, and also brake according to the flow of traffic. And Tesla has auto high beam, so whenever you're driving at night, it automatically turns on your high beams whenever it's very dark and no other car is around. This is not just secluded to Tesla, but again, this is another automatic feature. And the best way to control your auto high beams is that we're going to come right over here on the left dry stock. We're going to flash the light one time. The menu is going to come up. Then we just click on auto. So another feature that you have in your Tesla would be your Autopark. So I'm here in a parking lot and I am going to park right here in between these two trucks, as you can see. So what you're going to do is on your map, you're going to locate the parking spot you want, and you see the two trucks here. I'm going to press right here. So what I'm going to do from there is I am going to click on start, and from start, the car will take over. I'm not holding the steering wheel or anything. So we're just going to back right into the spot. And the car is doing all of the work. So we are straightening it up here. And after it gets into the spot, it will say Autopark complete. Now let's get out and see how we did. And I do get a lot of comments from time to time saying, well, if you can't park, you shouldn't be on the road. Having Autopark with your car, it's not saying that you can't park. It's just an added feature. It's like, why should you be driving if you have feet, right? So it's an added convenience. So there we are. So you can see that the car is centered right inside of its lane. With your Tesla, you can also have the option to have auto lane change, which automatically changes lanes whenever Autopilot is engaged and the driver's signal is on. Inside of your Tesla, you have an auto feature with climate, and this will warm and cool your car automatically, keeping it at a set temperature that you like. And this feature will also turn on the driver's heat warmer, just say if it gets really cold outside. And you can find that feature on the climate menu. You swipe up, and where it says auto, you click on auto. Now from there, you have low, medium, and high. And right here, your car will keep it at a comfortable temperature for you all year long. And if your car detects a potential collision, your car will automatically apply the brakes with the emergency braking system. And your Tesla also comes with auto windshield wipers. And this is great whenever it began to rain. You don't have to turn on your windshield wipers. And also, the more rain that comes down, the faster it will go. And this is typical with most cars. So this is not just secluded to Tesla, but it is an auto feature that you have. And in order to enable this, the easiest way is I'm going to come right over here on the left drive stalk. I'm going to press in one time. Then the menu came right here, and on your scroll wheel, you can scroll up and down. You see this? So you can scroll up and down the speed that you want, or you can just put it on auto. And in order to select one, you're just going to press in on that scroll wheel. So I'm going to go right here on auto. Now my windshield wipers is set to auto. And inside of your Tesla, you no longer have to worry about turning off your turn signals after turning them on, because inside of Tesla, they have an auto feature that's called auto cancel. And whenever this option is enabled, the turn signals will automatically turn off after it make a maneuver, it switch a lane, or it just been on for a minute. So on your menu, we're going to come down here where it says lights, and from lights, where it says auto turn signals, you just want to make sure it says auto cancel. So those are the top 11 auto features for your Tesla. What are some of the features that I left out? Let me know in the comment section below. And there are 18 voice commands that you need to know about your Tesla. Like I said, you need to know. And check it out, the top video right over there. And be sure you subscribe, and that way you don't miss another video. And I will see you in the next video.